What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another money making video, and today we are going to be talking about this incredible app that I just discovered. Okay, this one is made by Mobile Media Labs. All right, it is a free app to install, and what it does is it allows you to make money through completing surveys, through playing games, and other amazing things that you can do simply. All right, so they reward you for doing certain tasks. Now, one of the main things that I've found in the past is that many apps or many companies who proclaim to help you make money online have issues with payouts. Okay, but this app actually works. Now, if you look, there are about 349,087 reviews, and it has gotten a 4.7 rating out of 5. Okay, so reviews are typically, I believe, 5 to 10% of the estimated traffic, meaning if 100 people use the app, maybe 5 or 10 will leave a review. So if 349,000 and call it 350,000 people leave a review, then roughly 3 million people have actually passed through and used this app. Okay, so a very small percentage will actually leave a review. Now, David has this to say, and this is actually just last week. He says, honestly, the best app I ever put on any device in my life. This make money on your own time. When you have the time, platform comes to you user friendly. It's straightforward, objectives, and very little wait time to receive credits for your chosen task. All right. And the company actually responds. You can see their response. Hi, David. It's great to have you as a user on Make Money. We will answer any of your questions in an email to help@mail.makemoneyrocks. An updated rating on the Play Store would help us grow. Thank you. Belo Yaya just downloaded, and I'm not going to assume, but it sounds, well, I am going to. It kind of sounds like he's from an African country. Okay. And on the 26th of September 2021, this year, he says, just downloaded it and it seems quite good and interesting, earning money on the side. The user interface is superb. I, however, have one problem with it, which is getting paid by PayPal. Why don't the app developers add other methods of getting paid aside PayPal? And I will gladly give it a 5-star rating after making a withdrawal and receiving it. So it seems that they do make payments through PayPal, which for many countries, many people, that is great. But for Bello, not so great. Maybe for his region, PayPal is not a thing. But one thing is sure, they do payouts and they do pay. Right? Raven says, I like this app a lot, especially in the beginning. I've received 2 withdrawals successfully, but I have 9 different offers that I have completed yet still say in progress. It is quite annoying, and I have submitted a help ticket on all of them and have never heard anything back from customer service. And of course, customer service did contact her. Hi Raven, your feedback is highly appreciated. We are constantly improving our app, and the new update should meet your expectations. Feel free to adjust your rating and review on the Play Store. So they fixed the app or updated the app, and they're asking her to try it again and check it out. Now, here's some more details about this app. Make Money, which is the name of the app, fetch rewards, and start your mobile mini job on this Real Cash app. Did you know work tomorrow will be totally different from work today? And we have seen it. That's why this channel was created, especially since the start of the pandemic. People have been revamping, reviewing how money is made. Many people, most people had to work from home. If not, they lost their jobs. And many people are realizing that you can work from home and it can work. It's better for the employer because he doesn't have to have this huge overhead of paying the light bill, the phone bill, this bill, that bill. The staff member can work comfortably from home, pay attention to their children better, and have more person-to-person contact with them. There's no long traffic lines. There's no 3-hour travel from one end of the city to the next to get to work. You save in gas, you save in stress, and And overall, it's good. Now, are there setbacks to working from home? Yes. But from what we can see, work from home does work. Future today, you earn on your phone with this Cash app. No joke, the dream job for everyone at your fingertips. Your choice, just try it and get this real Cash app. Now, it's a new way to make side cash. A new way to make side cash has just been released. Make Money, which is the name of the app, Real Cash app plus rewards plus paid surveys, has you covered to earn extra money to your PayPal account. With Make Money, you can earn cash playing games or filling in paid surveys. Further tasks can be found for more money rewards. Let's start your work from home life with this Real Cash app. So features, you can play games. So you make money through playing games, make money through paid surveys, you earn money with your phone. So I guess I'm not going to say this is the case, but there are apps that want to check how you use your devices. They don't go into your personal information, but they just want to see what sites you go on, what's your behavior pattern, because many companies pay big money to see what your spending patterns are, what your browsing patterns are, which will help them market their products and services to the right audience to make more money. Home, you can earn money working from home and get rich on this Real Cash app. Now, I don't know about getting rich, but you can definitely make money on here. And if you actually want to be closer to getting rich, click the first link that you see in the description, because this allows you to create your own online business that you can scale. And the reason you can scale it is because you're leveraging the power of apps, software, and other tools and devices that run 24/7. So even when you're sleeping, you can be making money online. Okay? So ever had an alternative job you could do wherever and whenever? Ever needed some PayPal cash and were looking for free PayPal cash? This Real Cash app allows you to fetch rewards and earn fast PayPal money. Make Money lets you earn quick dollars to your PayPal account. Unlike other money maker apps, Make Money recommends games to you that have just been released. You will be amongst the first users. It is up to you. The more you play, the more you earn. Likewise, you can get PayPal credit cash out doing paid surveys. It is fully up to you how you want your extra money rewards. It is a perfect side job on your cell phone to earn a second salary. The Easy Cash app is a free mobile app for users to make real money via PayPal payouts with no purchase necessary. PayPal or Google are in no way affiliated with Make Money. Make Money is your perfect side cash app to earn extra money rewards. And they kind of went over the same thing over and over and over. You basically make money on PayPal using Make Money Cash app. So you download the app, you get rewards for paid surveys and playing games. You open the Money app and explore the cash tasks. Select your favorite highest paying app to test. Start making money playing games. Finalize your reward mobile mini job. Check your cash balance on Make Money. Request your PayPal money payout. Receive the money and earn more cash. So, in consequence, Make Money is not only entry ticket to earn cash from anywhere, but also your quick and fun way to make easy money. Broke was yesterday, rich is tomorrow. So, make money, fetch rewards, and start your mobile mini job on this Real Cash app. So guys, it does seem legit. I'm actually going to, So if you want to check this out, trust me, especially if you're a teenager and you have free time, or you are looking to just relax and play some games, and while doing that you're relaxing your mind, you're taking the stress off, you could be making money while you're doing that. All right, so it works in many countries, so that's why they use PayPal for their method of payment. So if you're in an area where PayPal is not available, it's a bit tough, but that's up to the PayPal authorities to let that happen. But for everywhere else, try it. Get your money now. Money is available to everyone. It's easy to make. You probably think it's hard because you keep thinking it's hard, but money is actually very easy to make these days. So check this app out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what country you're using this app from. and check the links in the description below for more ways to make money online. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.